The Integrated Community Development Project (ICDP), implemented by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund JSIF, has transformed the lives of residents living in 18 economically vulnerable and socially volatile inner-city communities.
The project really had set out to target the restructuring, the urban renewal of the communities. We use a methodology called crime prevention through environmental design. And the idea is that you improve the environment first, and then concurrently engage the youth and the residents and address issues why they are vulnerable and how we can mitigate against it. ICDP is funded by the World Bank to the tune of $42 million for a period from 2014 to 2021. For the 7 years we've been working on ICDP, we believe we've had creditable results.
We were able to benefit over 89,000 persons, and this was done under 3 different components. The first looked at access to infrastructure and basic services, and the others looked at services as well as livelihoods and capacity building for our ministries, departments and agencies, as well as community groups.
The integrated infrastructure projects included road rehabilitation, water supply, drainage, sewage sanitation, and zinc fence substitution.
We would have completed a cumulative total of 47 kilometers of road. It will include approximately 47 kilometers also of surface drainage. We would have supplied access to water to over 12,000 households and sanitary sewage to in excess of 1,300 households. And with regard to zinc fencing, over 3,000 households would have been serviced, which is equivalent to 6,000 to 7,000 kilometers of zinc fencing.
Well, since JSIF coming, it's only improvement. Everybody take taxi to come out them yard, the people, the product for go to market, people who go to school, even generally persons who going out now, they call taxi as they come for me at my gate.
Operation Certification was a partnership between the Registrar General Department and the Jamaica Social Investment Fund to provide 6,000 birth certificates to the beneficiaries in the 18 ICDP communities. So it was very important for us to ensure that all Jamaicans are accounted for and all Jamaicans are able to access different sort of services.
The ICDP has pumped more than $300 million into the Alternative Livelihood Skills Program.
It's designed to actually move young persons from challenged spaces, from the corners, quickly into an income-earning position, whether it's through job placement or entrepreneurship as a result of a skill that they would have acquired. The program targets young persons 18 to 25. We were able to attract companies like CAC 2000 in air conditioning, where these young persons were trained as GTAC technician, which is a global certification. We attracted entities like Main Event in terms of event management, and the trainers were very elite trainers. We work with entities such as Pre-UE, where they were trained in a number of areas. We provide the NWC as a support, a cadre of skilled young persons, both men and women, that were trained as water warden. We had one training component called the Blue Economy, where they were trained as lifeguard and scuba diver. They were trained as small boat repairs technician, and we looked at programs like online entrepreneurship, where these persons are trained in gig work.
ICDP is going to be remembered for the way it allowed the community members to work together as a collective. So in telling the ICDP story, certainly, while we will focus on the physical transformation, certainly I think the greatest story is the people being transformed.
It's the best organization I ever see. They work for the people so much. The people love everything about JSIF.